Hi guys, welcome back to the channel.
Hello.
Today we're gonna try not to die.
Yeah, I already tried to die yesterday. I didn't make it, as you
I
can
wasn't
see.
lucky enough.
Yeah,
So, yeah. Uh, how we gonna try to die? Like a real man. What do we have here?
only one wheel. We didn't have money for the second one.
Okay, let's try to die.
And after that, the story about my almost dying to be continued.
See ya.
So, in the intro, this nice fellow said that I almost died. That's maybe a bit too exaggerated.
You fall from it.
I fell from it.
You fall. Fall.
Fell.
You kick your head in the pavement, so I wasn't maybe too much.
Exaggerating.
Yeah.
Yeah. English. Very good.
Very good. Yeah.
So, what happened? We got this one wheel yesterday evening,
yeah.
and we decided not to try it before we film this, so you get the real picture how heavy,
How hard it's to learn it. Yeah.
But we went for a drink.
We never stick with a plan.
Yeah, we went for a drink. After that, we decided to ride it. Then we started competing in we will show you what. And I did a nosedive.
Yeah, he pushed it too hard and he rolled down like bags of, I don't know, something. Yeah.
I still love it. Would I buy it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah. He kicked his head in the pavement. He almost broke his arm. So yeah, it was fun thing to watch.
And I'm still here. Da-da-dun, da-dun. We'll go to driving it, some insider info. As you can see, this video is not for guys that already have it. This is for guys and girls that are thinking about buying it.
Yeah, to tell you why not to buy it, or
why you should buy it.
Yeah, or just borrow it from somebody. So if you break it, it's
just
not
run.
yours.
Take the money and run.
Yeah.
See you in a bit.
So before we start to ride, Leo, tell us a little bit what do we have here actually.
So we have a OneWheel XR. We borrowed this from, what's the name's man?
It was a friend of ours.
What's the friend's name's man's name?
Yes. He asked to be a secret.
Okay. So OneWheel XR, 750 watt motor. I don't know what size the tire is, but it's pretty wide.
It's huge, yeah.
It's huge, it's tubeless. Also around 12.5 kilograms. Range is around 30 kilometers. And you can charge it in 2 hours. What else? Yeah, top speed around 30 kilometers per hour. When you buy it, it doesn't look like this sexy. I'll put the picture. So we got it with this fender and also with these skid plates. I don't know what's the name.
Skid plates.
Skid plates. Okay. The price in Croatia is around 2,000 euros. We don't have any idea what's the price in US or UK. Also, if you want to buy this, it's $85. If you want to buy this, $55. You can buy this in carbon, then it's, I don't know, 200 bucks. If you need a plug for this charging port, $3. If you want another handle to carry it like this, I don't know,
10 bucks.
I think more. So for all the extras you need to pay for almost as much as for this wheel. I can carry it this way.
So, basic of riding. Turn on button, just one simple click, and you put it down. On one side, you just press the leg. On the other side, there is two sensors, and it gets activated when you put the foot on entire flat. Then you just
Try to turn it on.
oh, I need to do that. I thought it goes automatically. Oh no. Ta-da! I think now it's still off. Yeah. Okay, so you press this button.
Not this one, this is the charger.
You press this button. And it's very simple. Now you just put the foot on it to activate the sensors. And now it's on. So if you want to go forward, just press it down. If you want to slow down, put the pressure on another leg. To curve, it's like boarding or snowboarding. You just lean on the side that you want to go. So those are the basics. And there's a and this is how you dismount, more or less. There is an option you should like just put the heel up, but that's gonna be in 2 years, the next video. So, as I said, just put the heel up and you dismount like a pro. For the safety, if it's cold outside, I'm just kidding. We have the helmets, we have the gloves, and you need to always have that at least at home.
And if Goran is driving, I also put helmet and gloves. Just for safety, because he almost killed me again.
I'm not the one who fell without T.
Yeah, without T.
Yeah, okay. So we're gonna do a small race. From over there, the point is come up to here and go back as fast as possible. Let's see who's better.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
So guys, here we are almost at the end of the video. We tried to do some races. We tried to learn how to ride it. All in all, it's quite fun wheel. I think it's much funnier to drive it when you learn how to. It's very nimble. It's not fast like some scooters, but I think that's not the point of that wheel. The point is to do like slow cruising, having fun, and although there are some guys that are doing quite impressive stunts with that one wheel, we didn't do that because we borrowed it yesterday and tomorrow we have to give it back. We also not gonna do a top speed test. We told you what are the speeds. You already probably know it. We are quite new on this vehicle, so we wouldn't dare to go that far. Also the range tests, 20 miles roughly, maybe a little bit less if you're a heavier guy. I don't know. I like the wheel. It is quite expensive, but I don't know. If you have enough money and you're looking just for fun, if you're looking for the fun factor, that's the thing to go with it. I don't know what else. We're gonna do some final conclusions at the last part of the video, but for now I think that's it. Thank you for watching. See you at the end of the video. So here we are at the end of the video.
Well, I managed to stay alive until the end. Staying alive.
Yeah, it was a fun. A little bit more for me than for him, but
Yeah, I may say it was a painful experience, but I enjoyed it. I would still buy this OneWheel. Two things that we didn't mention: lights.
for the lights, yeah, here at the top and at the bottom, and depends which direction you are going. They are switching from normal light
Red to white
to
light.
white light. Yeah,
And the other thing, we didn't test the top speed because we don't have the balls to do it.
yeah, no,
Sorry.
yeah,
As we said at the beginning, this video is for people that are thinking about
yeah.
buying this, not about people that are doing stunts and driving it.
yeah, like a maniac.
Yeah.
Like a pro. I mean, yeah, if you got enough money and you're looking for some fun and not crazy top speeds, nice thing to have.
Yeah. So, guys, like, share, subscribe. Put a smiley in the comments for my falling.
If you want to see him fall again,
Then
let us know.
Yeah. That's it.
Yeah.
Thank you
See
for
you guys.
watching. See you. Bye.
Bye.